In this video, we are going to create exit button with cpCmndExit in Adobe Captivate. Let's get started. We are going to create a standard advanced action using the system variable cpCmndExit. I added my YouTube video with button for exit, created advanced action with action name as exit. Set value to 1 to exit a movie. The default value of cpCmndExit is 0. But for exiting from the project, we are assigning cpCmndExit with literal value 1. Let's preview the project. In Captivate, variables allow you to add extra functionality to your projects. System variables in Adobe Captivate are grouped according to functionalities. When we click the button, then immediately our project exit. Subscribe and like my channel. Click bell icon to get notification of new videos in Adobe Captivate.